They are still people who don't choose the easy path. They follow something older, something woven into the land itself. Before first light, a man rises, not knowing what the day will demand. Courage, pain, or everything he has. When the season calls, he answers. With his men beside him, he moves across steep cliffs, held only by rope and trust, suspended between earth and sky as they gather what nature has guarded for centuries. They call it mad honey, but this is more than honey. It is tradition, sacrifice, a way of life carried through generations. And while the modern world forgets its roots, some still risk everything to keep something sacred alive.